Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this circle video edit on CapCut PC, circle puzzle, sorry. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to also make it a little bit shorter. Go to circle or heart or anything, but this is a circle puzzle, so do that. I'm just going to copy and paste everything first, and I'm just going to make it smaller than the rest. I'm just going to keep making it smaller and smaller until I have 4 pieces of puzzle. Then I'm just going to go back here and I'm just going to rotate it how I want it, making sure it's different from the original position. Something like that, for instance. Then I'm going to add a keyframe here in the first frame. And then maybe here I'm going to then add another keyframe and I'm going to rotate it to its original position. And then I'm going to do that for, all of the videos. Just going to then rotate it to make it in the same position. Then here I will rotate that again. Then lastly we have this one. And I'm just going to rotate that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.